Hi Pisces! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you for the month of March 2025. Ano yung mga gabay at blessings para sa'yo, Pisces? Pisces. Merong spying and stalking dito. Merong someone na kumukuha ng information about you or about sa inyong ginagawa, Pisces. For some of you, you are thinking a lot of things. May mga ideas kayong naiisip. Kung meron kayong business, you are thinking about a partnership or collaboration. Okay? Things are looking very good. Just be patient at this time, no? For some of you, you are just waiting for some profits, no? Sa inyong ginagawa or kung meron kayo mga creative or business ventures, okay? Also, yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling for work or merong overseas na opportunity para sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going back to school, meron kayong pag-aaralan to improve your skills. You will be attending courses, okay? May mga delays and trouble when it comes to money or may mga money issues kayo. May mga losses, something like that. Okay? Someone, maybe an old friend, no, wants to communicate with you. They are checking your profile, something like that. Tinitingnan kung ano yung mga ganap or nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? When it comes to your family, you have a happy home life, financially secured, no? You are building a legacy. Your wealth is building up or merong increase dito ng inyong resources or kaperahan. Okay? For some of you, you are disconnecting from friends or from your loved ones. Gusto mong mapag-isa. Meron kang mga iniisip about business or about travel or about life in general. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you need to be patient, no? Stay strong. And siguro it's time to show fortitude or katatagan sa sarili. Okay? You will be able to overcome challenges. Yeah. May mga achievement dito, joy and contentment sa inyong sitwasyon. Merong celebration dito. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you went to spend time with your family or with your mother. Okay, that's for some of you. Okay, kung meron mga problema or issues in your family or with a family member, deal with it with kindness and understanding. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga fears and frustrations or you are overthinking things. No? Yeah, so let go of that emotions, Pisces. Most especially, hindi naman nakakatulong sa inyo mentally. Yung iba sa inyo nagpupuyat, okay? Yeah. So, the situation suddenly moves forward to your favor, no? Merong changes dito, elevation of your money. Merong swerte na darating, no? Choose your battles wisely. Okay? Kung meron mga conflict dito, deal with it with understanding, no? Be patient, no? Pahabain ang inyong pasensya, Pisces. Yeah. Keep yourself patient, no? And kalmado, alright? Yeah, kung meron mang gulo or issues dito, merong resolution of conflict, okay? Control yourself kung meron mang mga kaguluhan or issues, Pisces. Or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay, there will be improvement when it comes to your money. Yung iba sa inyo, you are frustrated, no? Sa trabaho, parang nababagalan ka. Okay? Yeah. For some naman, merong improvement and wish fulfillment dito. Kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, no? sa inyong trabaho, ma-accomplish mo yun. Yeah. Also, you are overcoming challenges. Alright? Merong new chapter dito sa inyo. Okay? For some of you, you are moving beyond past pain. Merong new chapter after some gulo, no? Merong pagkalma dito sa inyo, Pisces. Okay? Everything will be okay kung may mga issues or meron kayong kaaway. Someone will apologize or will show that they are will show to you that they are sorry. Okay? Merong clarity of the situation here. For some of you, the truth will come out. Oh, yeah. Merong forgiving dito. Okay. For some of you, you are bored, no? You are lazy to act. Merong discontentment of your situation, alright? Siguro ina-assess mo ngayon yung current job mo or your current life at tinitingnan mo kung ano pa yung pwede ninyong gawin, no? You want improvements in life. Siguro kailangan mo lang talaga i-manifest, no? And mag-take ng action para maabot mo kung ano yung gusto mong maabot or ma-achieve, no? Yeah. For some of you, merong silent treatment dito in a relationship, no? With a partner. Maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio, a Gemini or Virgo here. Pero merong pagkakaayos or pag-aayos. Okay? Yeah, focus on your goals. For some of you, fortune will come, money will come, so embrace it. Alright? Yeah, you are overcoming challenges with grace, no? Yeah, you are focusing on victory and success, most especially sa work mo. Meron kayong mga choices or options na mga iniisip, pero kailangan mo sigurong pag-isipan to ng mabuti. Kailangan mo mag-research, something like that, get more information, no? Bago ka gumawa ng isang desisyon. Pisces. Okay? Merong conflict dito, no? Or merong gulo or pag-aaway na mangyari and nagbibigay ito sa'yo ng frustration and disappointment. You are heartbroken, something like that. You are sad. I don't know, okay? Merong someone that will bring good news to you about opportunity or about kaperahan. For some of you, you will be traveling for work, no? You want to travel and at the same time, you want to work. Alright? Follow your dreams, Pisces, no? Siguro meron kayong gustong umpisahan na creative project. Yeah, merong improvement again sa finances. You will be receiving what is owed to you, no? Kung merong may utang sa iyo or merong something like that, no? Matatanggap mo. Okay? You will be receiving loans or money and meron kang opportunity na mabayaran mo kung meron kayong mga utang, no? Something like that. Okay? For some of you, someone here magpaparamdam, no, magko-communicate sa inyo, bibigyan ka ng attention, ng time, no, after ng away, alright? Just take what resonates for you. Yeah, for some of you, you are uncertain about a situation, uncertain ka about your relationship with someone, okay? Merong separation dito, an ending. Yeah. Okay, for some of you, happy times ahead, no? Looking forward after moving on, no? Okay. It's time for you to have fun, meet with your friends, no? Party, drinks. For some of you, this is birthday or announcement of birth or marriage, something like that, no? Big money coming is coming for you, alright? Or meron kayong mga commission or incentive na matatanggap. This is something big, no? Also, merong chapter dito of joy and fulfillment and abundance na darating after a difficult times or after a difficult time. Okay? Okay. Iwas sa overspending, Pisces, no? Merong materialism dito or addiction over something, okay? For some of you, you have to let go a toxic relationship, a toxic person, no? So that you will be able to grow, evolve, no? And change for the better, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are not taking action or meron kang takot, no? Or you are not so sure if you're going to end a situation or a toxic relationship, okay? Or a toxic person. Parang you are afraid to take action, okay? Siguro nag-overthink ka, feeling mo hindi mo kaya, okay? But you know already that yung situation na to is already toxic. Okay. You need to plan for your future, no? Plan and action. Be strategic, okay? Maybe for some of you, meron kayong gustong umpisahan na negosyo. Alright? You are inspired to do a creative thing. Yung iba sa inyo, yung hard work ninyo and creativity will bring great rewards. Hi, Priestess. Kung ano man ang inyong mga plans, just keep it to yourself. Kung meron kayong gustong bilhin or puntahan or meron kayong nais na gawin, just keep it to yourself first. Okay? For some of you, you are setting boundaries. No? Yeah. You are showing confidence, no? And pinoprotektahan mo kung anong meron ka or pinoprotektahan mo ang iyong sarili. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you don't want conflict. Ayaw mo ng gulo. Alright? Your problems when it comes to money will fade away. You will be financially secured. For some of you, it's time to expand your social circle. Also, you are thinking about making your own path, no? Merong new beginning dito para sa inyo, success, no? Meron kayong bagong pagkakaabalahan. Yeah, change your life now. For some of you, may mga bright ideas kayo na magbibigay sa inyo ng tagumpay, no? Yung iba sa inyo, this is expansion, career advancement, no? You will be receiving messages. Okay? Yeah. Messages from an officer or from someone na may posisyon sa isang organization or sa isang trabaho. Okay? Yeah, and this is something that will make you very happy, Pisces. Expect things that will be better now. Expect things to get better now, Pisces. Alright? Okay, for some of you, again, money improvement, no? And then you are taking chances. Siguro may mga opportunities sa inyo abroad. Siguro pinag-iisipan mo pa or meron kayong inaantay na job offer, no? Na nasa ibang bansa, okay? For some of you, you are hoping and praying for it, no? Na sana dumating na. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you need to rest your mind. Meditation also is needed, lalo na kung meron kayong gustong, meron kayong desire, no? Na matanggap. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, yes, parang nag-iisip kayo ng mga paraan, no? Para kumita pa, okay? Or mga side hustle, something like that. Yeah. Merong planning, discussion about money making. Yeah, for some of you, you are looking forward for an exciting endeavor. Meron kayong naisip na mga creative project na gustong umpisahan. So, believe in yourself, be confident, no? Yeah. Merong good news about financial matters. Also, kung nasa industry kayo ng arts or creatives, no? At may mga isip kayo ng mga solusyon, wag din padalos-dalos, no? Take time to carefully review kung ano yung mga solusyon. Alright? Yeah, for some of you, you are showing confidence, no? Determinado kayo to succeed. Merong energy dito, no, na siguro nag-iisip kayo or nagde-decide kayo over something about work. Alright? You are unable to decide. Alright? You know you deserve something better. Parang gusto ninyong umalis, no? Pero parang hindi ninyo magawa. You feel that you are not supported. Okay? Speak your mind with confidence kung meron kayong gustong sabihin or meron kayong gustong i-express or meron kayong gustong i-clarify. Okay? Before making a decision. Merong enlightenment dito sa inyo spiritually. Yeah. Also, follow your intuition, no? Alright. Work-life balance is needed, Pisces. Siguro madami kayong ginagawa or busy kayo. Okay, many things happening at once, no? You are doing a balancing act. Okay. Kung ano man yung mga paghihirap ninyo, Pisces, merong ending dyan. There will be a new beginning for you. Merong milestone moment para sa inyo pagdating sa career or sa trabaho. Okay? For some of you, you will be traveling, no? International travel. You will be gaining control para sa sarili mo. May mga opportunities na darating or kung meron mang i-offer, take it. Okay? You have the Midas touch. Magiging successful ka sa offer na yan. Alright? Also, wag kang mag-dwell sa kung anong mga nawala sa inyo. Okay? Merong mga solusyon at paraan. Yeah, you're overcoming challenges. Also, you need to be smart, no? And wise in making a decision, most especially in a relationship. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, yes, merong completion dito. Or, yeah, merong completion. Or ending a phase in a relationship. Okay? For some of you. So, additional messages for Pisces. Tingnan natin. Opportunity, new job opportunities, no? Change is coming just in time. Wow, Pisces. Alright, yes, there will be a new beginning for you. Merong ending and at the same time, merong bagong simula para sa'yo. Okay? Limitations, let go of your worries. Yeah, let go of your fears, let go of your frustrations, no? If meron kang mga self-limiting beliefs, no? Let go mo yan kasi parang hindi rin siya nakakatulong sa inyo sa well-being mo. Alright? Additional message for Pisces. Children. Your connection with children is part of your life's purpose. Importante sa iyo ang inyong mga anak, no? If you have children. Okay, admit your true feelings to yourself. Be honest with yourself. Only you know what it is that you truly desire. Okay? Your wish is granted when you've asked for, when you have asked for something, it is coming true. Okay? Wow. So, merong wish fulfillment dito sa inyo, Pisces. Tingnan natin. Another message. Kung ano yung dinidesire mo, darating at matatanggap mo yun. Just be patient. One more. Partnership. Allow healthful, supportive partnerships into your personal life and career, and both parties benefit as a result. You are receiving help from heaven and from a person who brings needed skills and resources. Okay, so value partnership, no? Whether in a relationship or in business. Okay, tingnan natin. One more message for Pisces. If you are noticing changes within yourself, it is because you are leaving the old version of yourself behind. You are elevating and shedding unnecessary layers. Old cycles are ending and new beginnings are on the horizon. You deserve this new chapter. Okay? So, merong new chapter para sa inyo, Pisces. Merong ending and new beginning. Okay? So, yeah, magtiwala ka lang sa inyong sarili. Be patient. Kalma lang. Ano? Iwas sa gulo. Iwas sa conflict. Alright? You will be reaching yung moment na kung baga, meron kang masasabi na achievement, no? Milestone moment para sa inyo. Okay? So, Pisces, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!